Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, A Quick Guide to Coding with AI, Examples in Python, written by Jeremy Morgan.
Generative AI is transforming software development by automating repetitive tasks and boosting productivity. This book is tailored for Python developers, offering practical insights and step-by-step instructions on using generative AI tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT Pro, and Tab9. It aims to help developers integrate these tools into their workflows, providing best practices for prompting, evaluating, and fine-tuning AI assistants, along with previews of paid tools to aid in informed decision-making. Generative AI can automate code generation, bug detection, documentation, code refactoring, and test case creation, making coding more efficient and enjoyable. Tools can be categorized into integrated tools, for example, GitHub Copilot and Tab9, that work within IDEs, and standalone tools, for example, ChatGPT and Google Bard, that operate independently. Integrated tools offer context-aware code suggestions, while standalone tools are better suited for abstract tasks such as design and documentation. Generative AI mimics human creativity by learning patterns from vast datasets, using machine learning models to predict and generate new content. This involves training on large datasets, evaluating output, and refining through feedback. Large language models, LLMs, are neural networks trained on massive text datasets to generate human-like text, enabling tasks like code generation, translation, and question answering. Understanding LLMs helps developers use these tools effectively. Generative AI tools can produce inaccurate results due to issues like hallucinations, training data quality, and context misinterpretation. They are predictive models, not databases, and understanding their limitations is crucial. LLMs are rapidly improving and have the potential to revolutionize software development by enhancing productivity and software quality, assisting in tasks from abstract design to code syntax, and making developers more efficient and effective. Generative AI tools are more advanced than traditional code completion tools like IntelliSense. They use machine learning to analyze vast amounts of code and provide context-aware suggestions, making them more prescriptive and versatile. Incorporating AI into your workflow can significantly boost productivity by streamlining various aspects of software development, from ideation and planning to code generation, review, testing, and documentation. When using generative AI tools, consider factors like data quality, integration with existing workflows, quality assurance, and staying updated with evolving tools. These considerations will help you make informed decisions and maximize the benefits of AI tools. Generative AI is an ally that enhances your skills and productivity by handling repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on creative problem solving. Understanding its limitations and ethical considerations ensures responsible and effective use. Embrace generative AI tools to boost your productivity and enjoy software development. This book will help you apply these tools practically, making you a more efficient and innovative developer.
Get this book at Manning.com